We've reached the final stretch of this exciting journey. But before we wrap up, it's time to see the amazing outcomes of your creative and co-creation process and share them with everyone. In this final exercise, you'll demonstrate your ability to synthesize and communicate your proposed project with impact. For this activity, one member from your team will present your project in a clear, concise format in up to 3 minutes. The presentation will focus on 4 key aspects. Start with your one-sentence pitch. A brief but powerful summary of your solution. Describe the visual elements, the images representing the problem, the solution, and the benefits of your project. Use the project cube to explain how the different pieces of your project fit together. Conclude with a call to action, inviting others to get involved, contribute, or collaborate. To prepare, you'll first use Part B, where the one-sentence pitch template will guide you to craft a succinct and structured message. This template ensures you communicate your solution, its value, and who benefits in a compelling way. Next, in Part C, you'll publish your completed pitch and visuals in the project gallery, making your project accessible to all participants. We also encourage you to take it one step further. Publish your pitch on social media using the event's hashtags. This is your chance to share your project with the world, expand your reach, and grow your network. This is a moment of celebration. As we reflect on the journey we've been on, remember that through innovation, technology, collaboration, and open education, we are not only building projects, we're shaping the future of education. Congratulations to all of you for reaching this milestone. We look forward to seeing your projects take shape and wish you the best of success in this final activity.